Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see garbage management Django Web Application. So first open the Jam control panel. Start the Apache in MySQL. Next click the MySQL admin. It will promote you to the web browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Like open any database name. Here you can see the all data. Next open the Visual Studio Code. First explore your project folder. Then you can see the SRC folder. It's our project delivery files. Then go to the readme text file. Here you can see the how to run the project in step-by-step procedure and login details. First open the new terminal. Then you can see the two commands. First install the requirements. So copy the command and paste to the terminal. I already installed, so I go to the next step. Copy the command Python management run server. Then paste to the terminal. Then you can see the URL link. Copy to paste the browser. So this is our project homepage. Here you can see the project features and more details. It's have three roles: user, admin and driver login. First start the admin login. Click the admin login. Enter the admin name and password. Then login into the admin homepage. So this is the admin home. Admin will be manage the bin and the driver details. So first go to the create bin. Here you can create the bin details on this page. So enter the area name and locality. Then enter the landmark and city. Next give the assigned driver email. Then select the load type and select the cycle period. And then give the bus route. After you fill the field name, click the submit button. It will be created. Next go to the update bin. Here you can see your post bin details. And then you will search the locality wise. You will find the data. If you want to update the map, click the update map. It will promote you to the Google map. Here you can see the red bubble. And then drag and drop to select the location. Then click the submit button. Now location is updated. And then if you want to update or delete the data, here you can do it. And then you can see the menu. If you want to change dark mode, you will swap it. Next go to the create driver. Here you can create the new driver's details. So enter the driver name and give the email ID and password. Then give the driver address and Aadhaar number. After you fill the field names, click the submit button. And then go to the view drivers. Here you can see the driver's contact details. Here also you can search the locality wise. You can see the driver details. Then go to the view complaints. Here you can see the user complaints on this page. And then you can see if you want to update the status, click the update status. Then select the status, then click the submit button. Now status will be updated. Then go to the view work reports. Here you can see the all work reports on this page. You can see the status and date wise and time wise. And then you will filter the data date wise. If you want to export the data, click the export table. It will be exported. Then go to the user details. Here you can see the all user details. Username, email ID. Next we will move for the user login. We have to sign up. First go to the register. Click the user register. Fill the field names. Enter the username. Then give the first name and last name. Then give the password. Your password must contain at least one capital letter and special character, then length of 8 digits. Next enter the email ID. After you fill the field names, click the register. Now register successfully, and then you can see the user homepage. User will be register our complaint and view our complaint status. First go to the register complaint. Here you can see the all bin details, and then you will search the locality wise. You can see your locality bin. Then click the ticket. Here you can see your bin ID and area data. Then you will be raise your complaint. Fill the complaints, then click the submit button. Then go to the my complaints. Here you can see your complaint details and the status. Your complaint status will be completed. Let's go to the my profile. Here you can see your profile details, and then if you want to edit your profile, click the edit button. Here you can update your contact details. Next we will move for the driver login. Enter the driver email ID and password. Then login into the driver homepage. So this is the driver homepage. Driver will be see the best route and works. Click the best route and work. Here you can see your schedule works. And then go to the show map. Here you can see the work location. If you finish the work, go to the update status, then update your work status. So this is the garbage management, Django Web Application.
Code shopping.